So in this video, we are going to figure out, is the iPhone XS Max any bigger than the iPhone 8 Plus, and is it just too big? You don't want a tablet in your pocket. So we're going to figure that out in this video coming up. So guys, now that we're over at the computer, as you can see, I have the iPhone XS Max right here and the iPhone 8 Plus right here. This column, this column, this column. You know what I'm talking about. So this is all of these specs from the iPhone XS Max right here in this column and the iPhone 8 Plus in this column. So this is all of these specs from the iPhone XS Max right here in this column and the iPhone 8 Plus in this column. And as you guys can see, of the size of the devices, the iPhone 8 Plus is bigger than the iPhone XS Max. I'm not a huge Apple guy, guys, but you all know the bezel-less helps so much with size. The iPhone XS Max display is so much bigger than the iPhone 8 Plus at 6.5 inches at a Super Retina OLED, when the iPhone 8 Plus coming in at 5.5 inches. So when we have the iPhone XS that's a tongue twister, XS Max at an inch bigger than the iPhone 8 Plus with a smaller size, and honestly the iPhone X, I am not an Apple guy, but the iPhone X is so curved and smooth compared to the iPhone 8 Plus. The iPhone 8 Plus, crap. iPhone XS, crap. You know why the iPhone XS is crap? I am not saying that it is crap because it can't do anything, guys. I am saying that it is crap because it is so far behind its time. There are so many things, so much better devices for about half the cost. OnePlus 6. Okay, guys, so we have screen size 1 inch bigger, as we saw, way better screen than the iPhone 8 Plus at a smaller size. So how do they do this? If you guys don't know that the iPhone XS Max is just like the iPhone X, it has a little notch that they tried to cover up in the keynote by giving us little planet-sized wallpapers that made it look like the notch wasn't even there in this phone. Which, whatever, Apple. Everybody hated the notch so much that they tried their so best and so hard to just not show it in the keynote. Literally pretend that it's not there. There's been people that went on the website and been like, what the heck, the notch is here, because they did such a good job of hiding it on the keynote. Now, if I was going to tell you to go buy a $1,400, $1,500 phone just to get this, I would expect you to unsubscribe, because I'm not that kind of person. You know what Swimming in Tech does. Swimming in Tech finds you best tech, but for a decent price. By the way, $1,100 is for 64 gigs. And no, 1100 is wrong, because this came out before the XS Max came out. It's 1200 flat. If you want 256 gigs, it's 13. If you want 512, it's 1500. I look at this and I say, you actually improved, Apple. Because how long has it been? It's been 4 years since we have had a big iPhone without a stinking crap bezel, and they just don't care. They know that you guys, not you guys, because you guys are part of the Swimming in Tech fam, and I applaud you for that, but they know that people will pay for crap because of the aesthetics and because of marketing. So if you are wanting and obsessed with an iPhone, if there is no way that I am possibly going to talk you out of it, and you have an unlimited supply of money, that is perfect for you. If you don't have an unlimited supply of money and you have to have an iPhone, boom. If you like big ones, boom. Although the iPhone X is the same, it's actually bigger than this phone. The iPhone X is bigger than the iPhone 8 Plus. However, the iPhone XS Max is obviously even bigger. So if you're into big phones, that's your thing. Unless you don't want to spend $1,400, and then I totally understand because that's insane. If you guys aren't super Apple, or if your grandma is not making you buy an iPhone, I want you to please at least watch this piece of the content. Please at least watch it. This is the Galaxy Note 9. I'm aware you've seen it before. It is $1,000. 256 gigabyte plus 400 gigabyte expandable. So if you ever run out, you just pop a 400 gigabyte SD card in there, you're good for life. 4,000 milliamp battery, so it's going to have almost double the battery life of the iPhone XS Max. Wham! In your face. Also, the software refinements from Samsung are amazing. It has better software than Apple does now. So that is your phone. You want a big phone, that is your phone. If you think I'm stupid because I don't like Apple, I don't care. That is your phone. If you won't budge and you love Apple, then that is your phone. If you are any cheaper budget and you're just looking for a phone, I just saved your life. Look at that thing. That notch is so much smaller than the iPhone 10. That thing is more powerful and faster than the iPhone 10. And it comes in at $500. $500. That is your baby. That is your phone. That is price ain't too bad. Boom. Price matters none whatsoever. You would rather have this than a car? Go right ahead. That is my opinion on the iPhone XS Max versus the iPhone 8 Plus. The only place in the world left for the iPhone 8 Plus is the place in the world where people don't have enough for the iPhone XS Max and will not budge, and they love Apple. If you will budge and you're looking for an amazing smartphone, iPhone XS Max is not the way to go. If you will budge and you're open to options, Galaxy Note 9. If you are on a little bit of a cheaper side, OnePlus 6, baby. Here's what I'm saying. The OnePlus 6 comes in at $500, and the iPhone 8 Plus is a $700. This is $700. This is $500. This is $700. The other one's $500. I don't know where it went. That's $500. Which one would you rather have? This has a bigger screen than the iPhone XS Max, better than the iPhone XS Max, and it's $500. If you are a diehard Apple fan, I would seriously reconsider your decision on being diehard Apple, because this thing is going to shake the smartphone market. That's all for today, guys. I will see you in the next video. Tell me if you want to see more videos like this, and I will do more on the videos like this in the future. Make sure and leave a like if you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to see some freaking beast gameplay, because I'm awesome at this game. Me and my friends will get together. Maybe like Tyler, do you know how many friends? We'll get together. We'll play some of this game, and we'll be awesome. That's all for today, guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. We're swimming in tech.